I thought I'd make a quick comparison video just because these have just come out. So this is the 9-inch long nose slip joint pliers that Icon has come out. That's the Harbor Freight brand. And as you can see, they were heavily inspired by the Snap-on long nose slip joint pliers. I don't know. I've thought Snap-on had a patent on this design. Obviously, there's some type of legal loophole that Harbor Freight is using to be able to develop their own. But, you know, the huge difference is going to be the price. But I wanted to talk about a little bit about how they're the same, how they're different, make a really quick video here for you guys, and let you know what I think about them. So, the Icon is basically has taken the design of the Snap-on and they've copied it. The main difference you're going to see is there's some slight differences in fit and finish. So, for example, the finish on the Snap-on is more of a, it's almost like a bead blasted finish. It's just a little bit better done. You could tell that extra steps were taken to make it nicer. However, the Icon is more of a forged looking finish, like a rough forging, but it's not bad by any means. You can also see that on the Snap-on version that the grinding work and everything is very precise and everything lines up really well. Maybe not on these. I've used these quite a bit, so they may be a little worn out. However, the hand finishing that's done on them is very clean, very symmetrical, and very even. And on the Icons, you can see on at least my example, they might have slipped on the belt sander here, and you can see on the Snap-on they have these grooves right behind the tips, and you get a hint of that in the Icon, but it's nothing pronounced, and it's almost like maybe they didn't know the purpose of these grooves, and I'm not claiming to know the purpose of the grooves either, and so it wasn't an important thing, and so they just kind of have a hint of those grooves in there. As far as the triple action slip joint mechanism, everything is exactly the same as the Snap-on. I actually have the regular slip joint pliers that Icon copied off of Snap-on as well, and they're just as good. There's a lot of grease in here, but the actual joint is very tight. There's no play in the joint, so that's nice. And I would say for the cost, which I'm going to go over here in a minute, you get a very well-made replica of the Snap-on pliers. Now the big difference is the price. These little ones, these are the 6-inch, or maybe they're 7, I don't remember. But these are the small version. They cost me $70. And the 9-inch version of these is closer to $100. And this is the 9-inch version of the Icon, and they cost, right now in stores, they're $25. So there's a huge difference in the price. And you probably get 90% of the value. You get 90% of the pliers that you would get by buying the Snap-on version. You get almost the exact same thing in the Icon, all the way down to even they've gotten the Talon grip, that micro diamond grip that's on the tip where they show off on the tool trucks where they pick up a nickel by its edge, you know. They even got that down on these, which they haven't had in previous copies of other tools. So they really are getting, they're really kind of getting the reverse engineering down pat on it. As a home user, not as a non-professional, these are perfectly adequate for me. I have no regrets buying these, and I have no desire to spend the $100 or so on the Snap-on version of these. These will be perfectly adequate for what I will need to use them for. I don't expect to have any type of quality issues with these, and even if I do have quality issues with these, Icon comes with a lifetime, no questions asked warranty. So definitely not as good as the real thing. However, it is definitely good enough for most people. So anyway, that's a quick little look at these two, doing a comparison between the Snap-on and the Icon long nose slip joint pliers. I hope that gives you some information and helps you make your decision while you're figuring out what you want to buy. Thanks everybody for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.